I better intro it first. This is Paul down here at CCRV with a few more helpful tips. What happened when we arrived, the slide wouldn't go out. So what had happened, they wound the slide in too far, whether it was me at the campsite or whatever, but one of the teeth, it had just gone over the tooth. So we got here and we thought, oh no, we can't get the slide out. So what I did, I got under here, and me not being one of the engineers, I do rely on Ashley and Dave and James and the team. I thought, right, we'll get under here and have a look. So I checked that this cog was free. It was. I got the Stanley knife. I know it's a little bit butchery, but I cut this so I could see what was going on under here. There's not a lot to be seen from this side. So then I realised we'll have to go up the other side. Over the other side now, and this, I didn't know this, but this obviously is where the motor is. So what happened, there is a hole in here where you get, there's a handle which I'll show you in a minute. I've got the handle. This is in the belly locker of all of these Rockwood Crusaders, whatever you buy, all right? And what it's for is emergency for getting the slide out. So what you do, you pop it through there, and then there should be, can you see that there, Steve? Get the camera on this. See this bar here? That goes onto there, like that, and then you wind away. But what had happened is that had come off the motor, so that weren't, I probably got a good plan. So I saw it all flopping around. So again, I had to get the Stanley knife out. We've cut this bit of cloaking out, which is around here somewhere, that I'll put back. Expose the motor, and if you have a look, there's a hole in there and a hole in this. Well, somehow, obviously someone had problems with it before, that had snapped. So what I had to do was put that in there. I put an old nail or screw or something in there just for the time. I literally wound it 2 turns, which just took the cog that is damaged off, pressed the button, and hey ho, the slide went out. So that's just an on the road repair that you can do yourself if you're a bit mechanical. On the road repair and a good reference, and that's a real good tip. Again, do not overrun the slide when you bring it in. Once you hear click click click, that's it, that's in. If you overrun it, there are only small cogs in there and you'll break them. So what we'll do when we get back to base, we'll replace the motor. So whoever we sell it to, it'll all be in one piece. So it's Paul down here at CCRV, on the tools and getting dirty for a change. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe again, please. See you in another video.